हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम एक छोटा सा पाइथन का कोड बनाने जा रहे हैं जिसके अंदर हम लोग पासवर्ड जनरेटर बनाएंगे, जिसके अंदर हम तीन टाइप के पासवर्ड जनरेट करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन योर like selection, like the numerical value only the character, or you can create by the mix one, like the numerical on the mix you can generate the password. Okay, so this is my starting code. So first of all we will import the random method of your python one. Then we will create a one function preferred generator. Okay, this is the code I write it. Okay, and then I call this function here. Okay, so this is the simple or like you can say the code which I write it. Then I will call it for now. Let me show you the hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me run it first of all. Yes, so it's give you like module last and this, but it is not defined. Okay, so it's like the small value. Let me run it. Now you can see the sir, welcome. Now we will start the code level part. Okay, so first of all let me create a one three type of string, like for the alphabet. Okay, ABC. Okay, then integer one, then mix one. Okay, so I copied this one. Okay, then I define it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 10 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. It's 5. Okay, so basically I defined it three variables where I called like only alphabetical, the integer and the mix one. Okay, now coming to our view. Okay, so first of all we will start by the while loop, because we need ask to user to enter your value. So I entered while, then true, then I ask to user to print the value. Which password you want, and then for capital letter I enter it. Okay, so over to you. Like, which password you want, you can continue, it's running. Stop. Then we will ask question, ask to input from the user level. So I ask to user to mm, numerical alphabetical mix and the lower than okay, then I enter it. Okay, now we need a if else condition, so I edit if QE equal to n, then this is the code. Okay, for alphabetical we use a a1, else if दिस, फॉर मिक्स के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं एम। ओके, नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट, एल्स, एंड देन प्रिंट प्लीज एंटर ए वैलिड वैल्यू। ओके, तो हमने यहाँ पे 3 टाइप से वैल्यूज डिफाइन कर दिए। मैं अभी के लिए आपको दिखा देता हूँ। नंबर, ओके, ABC, then mix. Okay, now let me show you the example like how it's work. So enter QE. Okay, okay, let me do it. We will check it later on. While true, the number equal to input. Ask the user to enter your input like length, how much length you want to enter the length. Okay, then if number dot is digit, then for I in range int number, then print random dot choice integer, then and equal to blank. Okay, now loop was breaking, else please enter a integer. Okay, this is the for the numerical value one. Okay, then coming to the alphabetical one now. Well, true. Okay, now APL input, enter the length. If print, then same copy one, this one and this one, and there is a APL, and then H. There is an integer which was calling from here, and this is for alphabetical one. L P H alphabetical. Okay, now else part, you can copy this one also. Please enter a integer one. Okay, now the last point was mix one. While true, ask for the length one, so you can ask to user to length. So just edit the input mix, then again if mix dot is it, then again for I in range int, and then the previous mix you can copy here. You can try this one. Now print. Okay, now this one back to, please enter a valid. Okay, now just edit break statement here, same for goes to here, and now go back to here. So now the code was ready. You can see upon it, first of all we define three variables: alphabetical, integer, and the mix one. Then we created a function as in called of generator. Then there is the condition was defined while loop. Okay, in this while loop we ask to users to enter your math format like numerical, alphabetical, the mix one you want, this type of password you want. So we ask to users to enter it. Then we put it the if else condition. So first of all this is for the integer one, then we have a alphabetical one, and this is for the mix one. Based on the condition one, we come to the integer, the numerical one first. So we enter it, ask to user to the length, how much length you want to be the password generator. So we enter the length, then we check if this is the is digit or not. Then we call it the for loop. Then we enter the random dot choice. This is the method of the function inside the random, so we call it, and we pass the integer, this one, because we already defined the integer, like how the integer we have 1 to 9. Okay, the same goes to for the alphabetical one. We define the while loop, and then we call it ask to user to enter the integer, the length one. Then we check it, and the same goes to the alphabetical, the choice we called it, and then we pass the alphabetical this method. The last goes for the mix one. We ask to user to enter the length, then we check the is length, and then goes to the same one. Now we will check it, this one. Okay, this goes to the error one, like this is the error now coming still. I will check it. Okay, sorry, this was my bad. It's not if else, like leave. Now we will, yeah, we asked to user first which password you want, so we enter it like mix, and how much length, like 50. So it's coming, this is the password. Okay, okay, now let me check with alphabetical. I enter it alphabetical, I need a 8 digit, so I enter it. This is the 8 digit code execution successfully. Now suppose I need a again the same code, so I call it number one, and I call it 10 digit. So it's coming. This is the random generator value. Last call the mix one. I enter it mix. Length will be like 6 1. Then it's coming 6. So for more videos, you can, or the more code, you can go through my GitHub profile. This is my GitHub profile, GitHub globis94, and go to the repository here. You can find out the Python projects here, and then you can see this is the password generator code also here. So you can also you can refer the same code from here. So thank you so much watching this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please press the bell icon for upcoming video, and please comment your any topics, so that I will create a new video which what topic you want. Thank you so much. Bye bye.